Hello everyone, this is Nicole. Welcome again to my channel, Bouquets by Nicole. Today I'm going to show you a brooch bouquet featuring chiffon roses. Yes, I'm not using satin roses today. I'm going to be using some chiffon roses. I want to show you guys different types of flowers instead of just the same old satin roses. So today I'm using this color. I think it's blush, but it might be a little bit too dark to be blush. But I'm going to call it blush today. It's like a dusty rose mauve kind of color. But yeah, I'm using this today, and there's a fringe on there. And white. So this bouquet is going to be white and mauve or dusty rose or blush, whatever you want to call it. Tomorrow I'm actually going to go to David's Bridal to get a sample of what their blush colors are. That way, when I have my roses made, I'll have your colors available if blush is your wedding color. So don't worry about that. I'll have the correct blush for you guys. Okay, so these roses here, they can come with the bling, or you can add your own bling. I added my bling to these. All of the little mini brooches that I'm using to, add to my roses, they are available on the website. You can purchase them individually, or you can purchase them in quantities of 10, 20, 30, however many you think you may need. I think it's a really economical way of blinging out a brooch bouquet. You don't have to, get the real big brooches like I'm always talking about. I think these are so delicate, and they just add that nice, sophisticated look to the bouquet. It doesn't have to be, gaudy, or, some people they don't like all that bling like I do. So if you don't, this bouquet might be for you. Okay, so I just took these and I just glued them onto my roses here. I just want to show you the different types of brooches we have. The not so expensive ones. Well, none of my brooches are expensive, but these brooches are really a good way to, like I said before, to bling out your bouquet without breaking the bank. They come in packs of 12. This is like the mini silver. And then this is like the larger silver, and it's also available in gold. And this one is also available in gold. So you can purchase packs of 12. This is $14.99, and I always use these right here, the crystal ones. These are also available in packs of 12s in gold and silver. So you can save by just purchasing a couple of packets and then putting them onto your roses yourself. I just wanted to show you guys that. Or you can just order the buttons. These are like little buttons, but they're a nice size. They're not too small. They're a nice size. Okay, so let me just finish. Oh, the rest of the supplies. You'll need your styrofoam half ball. This is going to be like an 8-inch, 7 to 8 inch bouquet. So I'm using the 5.5 inch half styrofoam ball. And I'm using my crystal holder again. Yes, I love this holder, and I think I'm going to be using it pretty often because it is just so adorable. I think it adds a really nice, it makes the bouquet look more expensive. What do you think? I think it adds a really nice touch. So I'm going to be using this holder again. And of course, I'm going to be using the lace to cover underneath the bouquet. I'm not doing the ribbon roses, the leaves, not ribbon roses, the satin ribbon leaves. I'm not doing that. I'm going to use the lace again. So I'm going to be using this lace here. And I cheated. I'm done. I already have this holder prepared. See, I have the lace underneath, and then I just have, this is my lace sleeves, guys. So yeah, we're moving away from, no, I'm still going to use the satin ribbon leaves. I love using those, but for this holder, I can't use the ribbon holder, the ribbon leaves for this. So I just use the lace to go around the glass, the crystal. Okay, so let me just finish I'm putting my bling onto my roses here. Just put a little bit of glue. And it's, ooh, so pretty. Isn't it? Look at that. So just put your little decorations onto your roses and you're good to go. Alright, so that's my bling, okay? So we're going to put these aside in case I need some. Oh, I should have used some more of this. I like this one. Maybe I'll take out. And this is a mixture of gold and silver brooches. You don't have to just go with one color. I mean, if you want to, that's fine, but you don't have to. I'm mixing the colors this time. Okay, so you just want to start by gluing your roses onto your styrofoam ball. You know what? I'm not gluing these. I'm going to pin these. I don't have enough pins. I'll glue. Okay, so you just want to glue them onto. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. This is going to be gorgeous. This is similar to a bouquet I have on the website by the name of Sadie. This is Sadie, actually. Sadie, the one that I have completed already and that is ready to ship. So if anybody, wants to have this bouquet ASAP, I already have one made. And it's made with coral, and ivory roses. So it has it's coral, peach, and ivory. So if you're looking for those colors, I have this bouquet available to be shipped in those colors. That's in our 24-hour department. So it's already made, so it can ship out ASAP. Ooh, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. These colors are like, bam, in your face. I am loving these colors. Wow. So just continue gluing your roses. I'm not going to talk too much. Somebody told me I talk too much. I never thought I would have someone tell me I talk too much because I don't talk that much. My husband's the talker. All right, I'll shut up for a couple of minutes. Alrighty then. All right, look at this. Oh, Nicole, this is beautiful. These roses are beautiful. Oh my goodness. And the lace, I just love it with the lace. It just makes it, it's like shabby chic. So pretty. Hope I don't run out of, I'll put another white. Put a small white right there. It's a small one. Go right there. Wow. Then we'll put this here to offset the white. That there. And then put another small one right here. And you know what? No, I should have put that like right in between there, like that. Cover up some of this space to move over. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. This is really pretty. Okay. So that's, how long did that take? That didn't take long at all, did it? That's our bouquet. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is our bouquet, and I left one, just trying to get this glue off here. And I just left one of these. This is the boutonniere for the guy, okay? So what you want to do with the boutonniere is just put a pin in this. I don't have any of my, hold on one second. Let me get a boutonniere pin. Okay. All right, these are the pins. These are also sold on the website. These are the pins that I use for the boutonnieres. Now, everyone's always looking for the larger size. I don't use the larger size. You don't need the large pins, guys. The small pin works just as well. This is like a 20 millimeter. But we have the large one too, which is like, what, the 23. That's a large one, but you really don't need it to be too big because, here, this is like, ouch. This is like the large one. See, that's too big. You don't need that. I think just go with a smaller pen. This is what I use for my boutonnieres. And then you just put it on there, right? Like that. And that's my groom's boutonniere. There's the pen. You just pin it onto his suit. That's the boutonniere. So, we have a bouquet. Ta-da! This is so pretty. We have our bouquet and we have our boutonniere. And of course you can make this bouquet larger with the large styrofoam ball. This is just, I should have used the larger one. I didn't, because these roses are flat. You know, they're flat, so I should have used the larger ball, but that's okay. This is just to show you guys these roses. Aren't they beautiful? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, let me show you Sadie with the... Okay, this is the other color. This is the one that's available on the website now to be shipped. This, you have coral, peach, and ivory roses in this one. And then this is how I have the bottom decorated with the satin leaves. Then I just have a lace applique there and some rhinestones on the holder. So this bouquet is available on the website now. If you'd like to order this, just go to the 24-hour department and we can ship this out for you next day. And this one will also be available in the 24-hour department. And this can also be shipped out next day. Okay, guys. So there are the two bouquets we have with our chiffon roses and our boutonniere. Okay, and for this Sadie, you can use, here's another chiffon rose I have here. I just had this on the side here. This can also be a boutonniere, a lapel pin or whatever for the guy. A lot of the guys don't like brooches. Most of them don't like brooches in their boutonnieres. So you can use just the flower to match the bouquet. You have it, Sadie, in peach, coral, and ivory, or white and mauve, or blush, whatever you want to call it, with the crystal holder. Alright guys, this was a quick video and I am so happy with how this bouquet came out. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Be blessed. Bye-bye.